it's important for us to understand a few notations of sets. Like, many times you will be given, consider the set of all natural numbers n. So capital N usually denotes the set of all natural numbers. Okay, the set W denotes the set of all whole numbers. Set of all natural numbers is basically 1 2 3 dot dot dot. Set of whole numbers is 0 1 2 dot dot dot. Okay, Z is the set of all integers. Set of all integers is dot 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 -3 -2 -1 0 1 dot dot dot. Z plus is the set of all positive integers. Z minus is the set of all negative integers. Okay, can you tell me what is Q? Any of you can tell me what is Q? These are notations which each of you should know. Capital N means what? W means what? Z means what? Because often in these entrance examinations, they will simply give you these alphabets. Okay. Q is the set of all rational numbers. Correct. That proves that this is the notation, because most of you know this. Rational number is a number of the form P by Q, where P and Q are co-primes and PQ belong to natural numbers. Actually, it can belong to integer. Okay. This is the set of all rational numbers. T is the set of all irrational numbers. This can be written very simply as the set of all real number minus Q, or this can also be written as set of all real number except Q. So all real numbers minus the set of all rational numbers will give me irrational numbers. This leads me to the next notation, set of all real numbers lying between -infinity to infinity. Any number lies between -infinity to infinity is a real number. Real, unreal. Okay. Real and complex, not unreal. Okay. There are students who are putting artificial. There's nothing called artificial number, Baba. Real and complex numbers. Real and imaginary numbers is also sometimes acceptable. Rational is any number of the form P by Q. 1 by 2, rational number. 210 by 211, rational number. These are all rational numbers. Any fraction. 3 by 1 is also a rational number. So all natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, everything is a rational number. All of these are subsets of rational numbers. This is R except Q. This is except R minus Q is also acceptable. We will come into the definition of minus. Minus basically means remove Q elements from R. Okay. Q is the set of all rational numbers, any number of the form P by Q, where P and Q are co-primes. Co-primes ka matlab should not be cancelable. Jैसे 2 by 4 is not a rational number. The rational number is 1 by 2 because it cancels and it gives me 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is a rational number. 2 by 4 is not a rational number, right? So whenever I have a fraction, bring it down to the lowest form. The lowest form is the set, is part of the set of rational number. Okay. नहीं तो 1 by 2 को लिखने के इनफाइनाइट तरीके हैं. 1 by 2 can be written as 2 by 4, can be written as 3 by 6, can be written as 4 by 8, can be written as 5 by 10, so on and so forth, right? So इसीलिए लोएस्ट फॉर्म को ही रैशनल नंबर बोला जाता है, correct? This minus leads me to another operation which is important. Like for example, if I have a is equal to 1 2 3 and b is equal to say 2 3 4, a minus b will be simply 1. Basically remove all b elements from a. Okay, remove all the b elements from a is a minus b. Am I making sense? Okay, remove all the b elements from a, that will give me the set a minus b. A complement or a complement is the set everything except a. Okay, so in order to understand this, it's important for us to understand something called a universal set. Okay, universal set. So set of all real number is a set of all rational number is a set. Okay, q complement is equal to the set of all irrational numbers. Okay, rational complement, everything in real number I'm assuming is the universal set. Everything in real which is not there in rational is q complement. Everything in real which is not there in the rational is irrational. The real numbers are of two types. Either it is a rational number or irrational number. Nothing else is possible. So if R is the universal set, then Q complement will be the set of all irrational number. Okay. If the universal set is Z, that is the set of all integers, N complement is nothing but Z minus. Okay. N complement is the set of all, actually not, N complement is Z minus and 0. Okay, N complement is all x where x belongs to Z minus and x is equal to 0. You can write it down in this way. Set of all non-positive integers, that is my N complement. If the universal set is all integers, N complement is the set of all non-positive integers, all negative number and 0. Okay, so complement concept absolutely clear. If nothing is mentioned, please understand what the question is trying to tell you. Okay, more often than not, it is the set of all real numbers. Okay, so that's about difference of a set and complement of a set. Now let's understand power of a set. Power of a set we've already done. Now let's understand union and intersection of sets. Okay, this is something that we already know.